Good day friends and welcome to another YouTube video. In this video, we are going to dig deeper into the world of resume writing. Resume writers play a crucial role in the job application process by helping individuals present their skills, qualifications, and experiences effectively to potential employers. Here are some key reasons why resume writers are important. Highlighting relevant information, resume writers have expertise in identifying the most important and relevant details from an individual's background and work experience. They know how to showcase achievements, skills, and qualifications that are directly related to the job being applied for. By doing so, they ensure that the resume grabs the attention of hiring managers and increases the chances of being selected for an interview. Tailoring resumes to specific jobs, a generic resume may not have the desired impact on employers. Resume writers understand the importance of customizing resumes to match the requirements of a specific job or industry. They know how to emphasize the skills and experiences that are most valuable for a particular role, making the resume more targeted and relevant. Optimizing resume format and structure. The format and structure of a resume are crucial for readability and impact. Resume writers are skilled at organizing information in a clear, concise, and professional manner. They use appropriate headings, bullet points, and sections to enhance readability and ensure that key details are easily accessible. Additionally, they know how to incorporate keywords and industry-specific terminology that can improve the resume's chances of passing through applicant tracking systems, ATS, used by many employers. Presenting a professional image. A well-written resume reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Resume writers have a deep understanding of what employers look for in a resume and can ensure that the document is error-free, properly formatted, and aesthetically appealing. They pay attention to grammar, spelling, punctuation, and overall presentation, creating a positive impression and conveying a strong sense of competence and professionalism. Overcoming employment gaps or career transitions, resume writers can be particularly helpful for individuals who have employment gaps or are transitioning into a new career. They know how to address these challenges effectively, emphasizing transferable skills, relevant experiences, and training that can demonstrate the candidate's ability to succeed in a new role. Resume writers can help bridge the gap between an applicant's background and the requirements of a specific job, increasing the chances of getting noticed by potential employers. Saving time and reducing stress. Crafting an effective resume requires time, effort, and attention to detail. Many individuals find the task overwhelming and stressful. By engaging the services of a professional resume writer, they can save time and reduce stress. Resume writers have the expertise and experience to create a compelling resume efficiently, allowing individuals to focus on other aspects of their job search. In summary, resume writers are important because they possess the knowledge, skills, and expertise to create well-crafted resumes that effectively communicate an individual's qualifications, highlight their strengths, and increase their chances of securing job interviews. They play a vital role in helping job seekers stand out in a competitive job market and present themselves in the best possible light to potential employers. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed this content, consider giving us a like as well as hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.